Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen monthly, it definitely looks like it's in a wave 5. So far, there is no evidence that the wave 5 is over, and there's really nothing stopping this from continuing back up and making more all-time highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a big engulfing move to the downside on this red candle right here. But I kind of suspect that this is actually a wave 4 and it's probably not over yet. This looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we're in a wave 4 and it's actually getting ready to go up for a wave 5 of wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame is where you can see this a little clearer because I think this right here is an uptrend. 1, 2. I think this is a 3. This actually could be a complete wave 4 already, but it does kind of seem pretty likely like it might go down before it actually goes up, make a more complete ABC of 4, and then go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, whether or not it really is going to go back down or not is the question. It looks like this should be a wave A. I actually, if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see this a little better, but I think this is an A. I think this is a B. I think we could be in a wave C. So if it does go up to a fib level, make it nice and pulse it down, make a nice break of structure, that's going to tell us that this really is a A, B, C, or B, and that it really is going down to make a wave C of wave 4. But I would have to see a nice impulsive move down, a nice break of structure at a Fibonacci level in order to go short for the continuation of this wave 4 ABC correction. Heading down to the 1 hour is where you can kind of see this a little better. I do think that this right here is actually pretty clear. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though this is a higher high, I definitely think this is an A. I think this is a B, and I think this is a downtrend for a C. So I'm calling this an A or a 1. I'm calling this A, B, C, or B or 2. Then if it goes up and makes, that 3, 4, 5 shape at a Fibonacci level on the 4 hour time frame with a break of structure to the downside, that's what's going to turn me into a seller. That's what's going to prove to me that this is a wave C of wave B, and that's what will turn me back into a seller for the continuation of the downtrend. As of right now, I am definitely looking for longs. This could be a wave C or it could be a wave 3, and it possibly could just keep on going up. So I am definitely looking for longs at the end of every pullback while I learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave C or whether this really is a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.